Hey y'all, so excited to be here this month. I am Laura Louise with Restyled Lemons. I'm excited to be part of the Paint Pixie team as a resident artist. And this month, I'm going to be bringing you a restyle with some chairs. So I have two chairs. First one is just your old antique dining chairs that I acquired. And I've been slowly redoing them, so I thought it'd be fun to do one with you all. So this is just a from scratch one, okay? So we're gonna go from scratch. There's one behind me, you can see that's already painted gray, but I'm gonna switch that color up. So this one is already cleaned and prepped. So what we're gonna do is we're going to fully paint this one, and we're gonna reupholster this gorgeous cover. Look at that. That reminds me of my parents' bedroom growing up with all the gold and blue. Look at that. That is old, isn't it? So for this chair, we are gonna do, I think I'm gonna try and blend the two together. Having a little bit more of the navy blue show up, and then use the pixie dust to accentuate these really pretty edges. And then here is what I'm going to use to cover up the seat. You guys see that? It kind of has a, I don't want to say velvet, but it's got a soft texture to it. So it's really fun. And so this chair, all you do is simple, these really easy to turn, right? And so then I just grab some foam. I've already cut it for the shape of the chair or the seat. Got the fabric that I wanted, and then once I put it on, I will just staple it. And we're good to go, okay? So that's what we're going to do for chair number one. Set that aside real quick. Then for chair number two, I painted Okay, so I am done with both chairs, and I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do with this seat cushion. This one was already done, but I'm still going to show you how to do the other one. But I wanted to let you know that I've decided I'm going to add the liquid pixie dust to this fabric already, so it kind of coincides with this chair back here that already has the statuary paint. So I'm just going to water it down, get it not drenched but wet enough. I just spray the water on there, and then I'm going to put obviously this together, and I'm just going to brush it on. And then when I'm done brushing it on, I'm going to let it dry, and then I will sand it a little bit, and then I will put a wax top coating on it and let it set, and it will be good to go. Okay, so here's the second chair that I'm done with. Painted, and I wet sanded it back to show the white. So here is the seat that we're going to cover. Okay, so I just unscrewed it. Get your foam. Just got that. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Joann's, your local fabric store. Got my fabric, and I'm just going to put it on. And then I have a staple gun, so I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to staple it, and then put it back on and screw it, and easy peasy, the chair is done. Okay, y'all, we are all done with the seats and with the painting. So all we got left to do is put the top coat on, let it dry, and they're ready to go. Hey y'all, we are all done with this tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and you're gonna go out and paint and have some fun. So thanks for being with me, resident artist with Paint Pixie. Again, I'm Laura Louise with Restyled Lemons, and all the products I use can be found on my website, restyledlemons.com. Have a great day, and remember to be creative and have fun.